jolly Vlogmas to you all. I'm Lewis. She's not. And today we're going to open up our Secret Santa gifts. Let's see. I know who mine's from. I have no idea who hers is from, so.
Not a clue.
We'll share that in just a minute, though. All right, here we go. Hold on. All right, you ready? You have any guesses?
I don't know, it's heavy.
I'm guessing it's books or bricks, one of the two. Let's go for it. It is a book.
It is a really cool book.
I actually thought it was about 100 bucks. It's heavy enough to be.
From Frank.
Frank. It is a couple of bucks. Okay.
Oh, I wanted this book so much.
Oh, cool.
I am so excited. Oh my gosh.
What is it?
It
Hold it
is
up for the camera. Come on.
The Art of Star Wars Galaxy's Edge.
There you go.
Yay.
All right, what else is in here?
And, gosh, that would have been more than enough. Star Wars Battles That Changed the Galaxy.
Very cool.
Yay. Oh, I am so excited. Thank you, Frank.
She did not dillo that, by the way. She went all in with the true and honest excitement.
Oh, I can't wait to read this.
And apparently I've lost her now. She's moved on
sorry.
to
Start
enjoying her.
Let me start reading now, so I'll see you all later.
All right. Big box. Mine says from Adam Elmers, which I'm 99.9% sure is Adam at the Mouse and More, but we'll see. All right. Ooh. It's a card.
I'm gonna have to edit some of that because it keeps.
Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. Lewis, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I feel like it's a Run DMC song. I could kick it in with there, but I'm not gonna do it. Enjoy this 50th anniversary gift. Adam, who is on Twitter at the Mouse and More. We're always waiting for Adam. It's a fun thing. All right, let's see what we have. And then we'll cut back. Oh, cool. Upside down. Oh, cool. It's a 50th anniversary print here from Walt Disney. All right.
Okay, he should have showed the card. Not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. I didn't see that part. That's incredibly cool.
It is cool. I didn't see it either. I looked at it. I read it. I was appreciative, but I didn't catch the subtle nuances of the Cinderella's castle mouse. That's what she's for.
It's Mickey. How do you not notice a Mickey?
That's me. All right, so this was a lot of fun again this year.
Loved it.
I think my unboxing video is a little better than last year's. I don't think I even posted last year. That's how shameful I felt about the whole process of video making. It's been a journey. All right, so this has been day 16. And day 16 had presents, so day 16 is my favorite day of them all so far.
It's been nice.
Even over the ones where I was at the parks without her. Yeah, and that. All right, anything else to say?
No.
All right, well, we'll bid you adieu. Bye.
Bye.
She never waves long enough.